Hi there guys, and welcome back to another edition of The Get Down.
But what is the Get Down? So basically the matcha Get Down is the journey of two cosmic friends through our kitchen to try and find the ingredients to make the highest vibrational elixir that we can, made from our freshly flown in from Japan cosmic grade matcha.
Today the ingredients we have in our cosmic kitchen are as follows. The freshly flown in from Japan matcha. Yeah. We have fresh homemade coconut milk.
Yeah, that's homemade coconut milk as well, made freshly this morning.
Here we have organic barley malt extract.
Very nice, very nice. Bit of a kick for the flavor, bit of extra sweetness.
Anyone that's into that nice kind of Maltese Milo sort of vibe, it's going to be a really great addition for that. We have some organic agave syrup.
That'll raise the vibrations.
Oh, tell me about it. You can't get higher vibrations than vibrations raised by agave syrup.
But Jerry, what's the go with the water though? Because I know that tap water and things like that, there are a few issues. People are having trouble with things like that.
Of course, I know exactly what you're talking about, and that's why today we'll be using a Brita water filter to filter out any sort of harmful chemicals you might find in your normal to-go tap water.
And so that's filtered and then boiled for extra purity?
That's filtered and then boiled for extra purity.
Wow, we are getting down today.
And not a get down without that purified water, baby.
So what's the first step to creating an elixir? Now that we've got our ingredients out there, what's step one?
And we're gonna get our beautiful matcha that's freshly shipped in from Japan.
Yeah.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that through a quick sifter to make sure it is as nice and sifted as possible.
Now guys, I'm assuming that you might have some better quality ingredients, not ingredients, sorry, we'll say tools, tools of the trade here. We're using kind of just what we've got. We don't have a lot of resources in the kitchen, so we're just using a regular pasta strainer and a plastic measuring jug. So that's why we're just using the things that we had laying around, which is the true essence of a matcha Get Down. It is just what's laying around. The idea is that you don't need to go leave the house. You're getting down. You're just getting down. We're trying to raise the vibrations with things that we already have at home in the kitchen, which is what we're doing here today. So Jerry's getting this strained through quite nicely, sifted through quite nicely, and we're looking very nice.
Thank you very much. I'm going to leave a little bit of matcha.
Yeah, thank you very much.
The milk is on the boil. Now is the perfect time as well to add in some of these cosmic ingredients that we found in our kitchen today.
So the agave is being added to the milk as the milk is being warmed.
That's right.
And so it is 1 teaspoon, it is 2 teaspoons of agave, with the option of course, adding more throughout the process.
It all depends on your own taste profile.
It's important to note when you're getting down as well, what ingredients complement and work well with other ingredients. So if I were to, for example, be adding a bunch of apple cider vinegar or anything like that now, I might want to go a bit extra on the agave just to give it that sweetness again. And that's what we're after today. You need to ask yourself what you're looking for in your Get Down. We're after a nice, tasty drink today.
That's right.
Not a bitter one. It tastes like apple cider vinegar.
That's right. And here we have the barley malt extract going into our milk.
So the barley malt extract now in the milk with the agave. So our first elixir is coming along very, very nicely.
Jeff, can I get you to stir that a bit more for me?
Certainly. And you can really already feel the smell, the scent of the elixirs. They're really filling the room here. Very beautiful stuff. You can really smell the sweetness of the malt barley extract coming through the top of this pot here. Lovely stuff. And of course there are other options as well. We make our own coconut milk here because it is the easiest milk to make at home. We understand, of course, there are a lot of people that will pre-buy milks and things like that. So almond milk is a very nice alternative, or oat milk, things like that. Really complement the flavor of the matcha.
That's correct. So what we'll do is we'll transfer some of this nice hot coconut milk into a jug. which will allow us to nicely pour into our glass of matcha.
And you can really just see the colours building through there. That is absolutely lovely.
Gorgeous colours.
I think we should have only done one, because then we could be more like that does look really good. It really is looking like an elixir in here, guys. I'm very excited here. My vibrations are literally going crazy, and I haven't even taken my first sip.
Look at that. Now that looks tasty.
That is lovely looking stuff.
That looks like a high vibrational elixir right there.
And it's that easy, guys. It's that easy. We had the stuff laying around. It's really just banging a few things together, and you have got yourself another lovely matcha get down. Cheers.
Beautiful.
Fucking bitter.
Yeah.
That's actually really good.
That's good, eh?
It is really
yeah,
good.
it's really nice, yeah. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks for getting down.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.